Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. I have Nykaa haul. Recently my friend had gone to Mumbai, so I wanted a few products which I wanted to purchase from Nykaa. So before she went, I kind of placed an order on Nykaa and then she got it for me. I don't think Nykaa delivers internationally, because if it does, it is really great because you get really good deals on Nykaa. This is not actually my first order from Nykaa. When I was in India, I used to purchase a lot from Nykaa. I think when Nykaa had started side by side, even the website Purple had, I think it's Purple, right? Yeah, Purple had started their website, but Nykaa got really hyped, and Nykaa got really famous very soon. So I think now even Purple has their website, but Nykaa has really great deals. When I had found out about Nykaa, I had told almost every member of my family that if you want to buy makeup, Nykaa is a great website. Before, I think even before they had great deals, now they have even combo kits, and you can save money on that. You have discount, and then you get free products on orders, so that is really great. And if you like your favorite product and you get that on an offer, that's a great deal, right? So I don't have a lot, but I kind of wanted to purchase few things which I wasn't able to buy it from here. I was able to buy it from here, but there on Nykaa I found it a bit cheap, and she was going anyway, so I thought I will just order it for myself. I will put the link of Nykaa in the description below, so if you want you can check it out. So guys, before starting the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And yeah guys, it is free. If you want to watch me 3 times a week, 2 or 4 times a week, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me out. It would be a great support from you guys, because I am kind of starting it, so I need you guys to support me. So yeah guys, let's just get in the video and I'll show you what all products I have. So first of all, I wanted a sunscreen from a really long time. Anyways, the summer season is almost going to over, but anyways I wanted to buy a sunscreen, so I got the Neutrogena UltraSheer Sunblock. I don't think we get this here in Dubai. I'm not sure, because I have not seen this in Carrefour or any other supermarket, so I am really not sure. But still, if I find it, I will put the link if you want to buy the same thing, because this is a drugstore brand and it is really good, and it is really good. And this sunscreen or sunblock has great reviews, and I think it was for around, I'll tell you, it was for 549. They had like if you buy 2 products you will get 10 or 20%, but I just wanted one, so I got that. But usually this is also an offer, and they have 2 sizes. I got the big size, which is 88 ml, and it says it is ultra light, clean feel and water resistant. It is water resistant, sweat resistant, resist rub off, and it doesn't clog pores, which is really good. And it is oil free and PABF free, so I got that. Then I going with skincare, I got Laneige water sleeping mask, and then I got the Laneige lip sleeping mask. They had 2 combo offers in this. One was the water sleeping mask and the lip mask, and I think the other was the sleeping mask, the lip mask, and I think there were 2 or 3 more things, and I got a lot of free things with it. So the sleeping mask is 70 ml, which is 2.3 O's, and the lip mask is 20 grams, and it is in berry scent. So I'll tell you the price of that. I'll tell you separately the price. I think even together they were almost the same price. The water sleeping mask was for 1850 rupees. These all are in rupees. I'm going to tell you all the prices in rupees. And the lip mask was for 1150. I don't know whether you can find Laneige in UAE. I'm actually not sure, but this is a really great brand, and I wanted some really good lip mask for my lips because my lips are dry. So the sleeping mask, it is an overnight moisture mask that purifies with exclusive sleep tox and intensively hydrates through the night for clear and glowing skin every morning. So I'll just show you the packaging. This is how it looks. It is a very pretty frosted bottle, but I think it is plastic, it is not glass bottle. So it is a huge tub. So that is the sleeping mask, and this is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. It says lip sleeping mask that provides smooth firm lips by gently melting away dead skin on the lips overnight. Big claims. This is the packaging, very pretty. I think they have only one variant in the lip balm. I am not sure about that. And you get a very tiny spatula to remove the lip balm from the jar. Now I'll show you what all I got free with the Laneige stuff. First I got the Laneige cleansing moist cream cleanser. This is Meadow foam seed oil. It has Meadow foam, and this is a moist cream cleanser. I got 30 ml of that, and yeah, it is a pretty good size for a sample piece. But somehow I really don't know the things that come in the tube which you get as a sample of free. I don't know why the packaging is so dirty. It is really dirty. Even before I had I think I had ordered some Innisfree face mask. I got two small tubes of face mask free, but the tube was really dirty. I actually threw it away. It was so dirty. I don't know why it is so dirty. Can you see all this? It looks like it has gone and seen really tough times. But the packaging of the makeup and skincare, nothing is wrong with that. Just the sample or the free things you get, the tiny thing, that is, and that also in the tube version, that is dirty. I don't know why. Then I got the Laneige water bank hydro essence. This is the packaging and this is the bottle. This is 10 ml. Then I got the Laneige essential power skin refiner light. I actually don't know what this is. Is it a toner or a serum or makeup remover? I'm not sure. I'll see about that. Then I got two free good samples of the water bank gel cream. I think these two are different. This is water bank gel cream and I got 10 ml, so I got two of that. I'll show you the packaging. Then for makeup I have few things. I have the Fit Me Loose powder. I got the shade 15 light, and I'll tell you the price of the powder, but it was below 500, I'm sure. No, it was for 695 and there was some offer discount, so I got for 556. I was searching for this powder a lot on Lifestyle Gulf and Amazon, but they really don't carry. I don't know why they still don't have it. It was released so long back, but still they don't carry it. I don't know why. They only have the pressed version of it, and I had actually found out on desertcard.com, but somehow the makeup things that you order, they always come broken or shattered. That is why I had also ordered a Maybelline highlighter from them, but somehow my entire pan was shattered, and they usually, I don't think they do anything about that. The packaging is not good uh, for the makeup, I don't know why. But still I had ordered this through Nykaa, and somehow, if you can see, the packaging is so bad. I think it only had a transparent film on it, just that. And I usually don't use my makeup until and unless I do my haul. And even after that, if I'm not using that product in a video, or if I have not planned any video about that product, it will still be in that box itself. So I have not actually used the product, but somehow it is so bad. And if I'm ordering a new product, if I'm ordering makeup from Nykaa, it has to be clean, right? Even the outer packaging should be clean, right? Like if we buy things from Sephora, they don't be like this. Even if I order even things from Sephora website, I have never gotten anything that is, the condition is so bad. They need to, do something, or they should have a cardboard box for it, or they should, I don't know, do something really to not spoil the outer packaging of that. Then I got two, actually four blushes from Milani. First I got the powder blush, which is the Romantic Rose powder blush. Both are mostly similar colors. Then I got Lemon Blossom Time Rose. If you can see, the packaging is really pretty. The Romantic Rose one is a bit mauvey. This is a very pretty pink shade. Then I got two Milani baked blushes. I got the shade 03 Berry Amore and 05 Luminoso. So this is the shade 03 Berry Amore, and this is the shade Luminous, and this shade is very popular, so I wanted to get this. Very pretty peachy color, and it has a lot of sheen. And they had some offer that if you buy Milani products, you will get a pouch. So I got this nice golden pouch, Milani pouch, and it is a nice big pouch. Actually, this time I got a lot of free products, which is great. Then I have the two L'Oreal Paris signature lipsticks. These came in carton boxes, which I threw away. As soon as I got my product, I had opened it, I threw away the packaging, but I know these two had come in single carton boxes, and the packaging was really good. If I get the packaging, if I get a picture of that online, I'll put it here so you can see it. I already have these lipsticks in different colors. I had purchased it from here, so I saw it on Nykaa, and there was some offer that if you buy two of that, you will get a mascara free. And here I don't really know why this Lash Paradise is not available. Every mascara of L'Oreal is here. It is there on Lifestyle or any other website, but I don't know, here in shops we don't get the Lash Paradise mascara, and I really wanted to try out. This had come in their original packaging. I just threw it away. So these are the two lipsticks. The formula is really good, and the lipsticks, I'm really sorry, I forgot to tell you the price of the blushes. I'll just quickly tell you. The Milani powder blushes, these were for 1420 each, and there was some discount and I got it for 1278. And the baked blushes, these were originally for 1200 and after discount I got it for 1080. These L'Oreal lipsticks was for 650 each. There was just the offer that you will get a Lash Paradise mascara free. So anyways, I really love these lipsticks. They are really comfortable, beautiful. They give you a beautiful stain. It doesn't really last you a very long time, but it is very pretty. I'll just swatch it. I have the shade 105 I Rule and I have the shade 114 I Represent. This is the shade I Rule, which is a very pretty mauvey pink color. And then I have the shade I Represent, which is a very neon pink color. And this is the shade I Represent, very pretty. Even you can see how thin the formula is, and it is very comfortable. Then lastly I have 4 lipsticks from Maybelline. I have 2 or 3 of that. This is the Maybelline Super Ink lipsticks, and I'll tell you the price of that. It was for 650, but there was some discount and I got it for 520. I think there was 10 or 20 or 15% discount, I'm not sure. So I have 4 colors in that. I'll just swatch it for you guys and I'll show you. This is the Maybelline Super Ink Matte lipstick, and I got the shade 60 Poet. This is a very pretty nude shade. They have a lot of shades now, and I think they have kind of changed the formula, because the earlier one it was kind of little bit dry, and whenever you took out, you have to be really careful when you remove the applicator. It kind of drips and gets messy. So this is the shade 60 Poet, very pretty nude shade. Then I have the shade Artist, 120 Artist. I don't have these kind of shades, so I got that. So this is the shade 120. It is not looking as vibrant as it is in the packaging, but it is really pretty. And then I have 2 reds. First I have this 25 Heroine. This is more of a orangey red kind of, and I really wanted this one. This is the shade 25 Heroine. Then lastly I have the shade 220 Ambitious. I think I have 2 or 3 red shades in this. This is a very pretty dark kind of red. So this is the shade 220 Ambitious. So yeah guys, that was all for my today's video. It was kind of very small haul, but I had got this parcel, so I thought maybe I'll just make a video. I think I had posted earlier that I was about to place an order, and so yeah, I got it. So I wanted to film a haul, and I'll put the link of the Nykaa website in the description below, so if you want you can check it out. They have really great deals. So yeah guys, if you like my video, please give a thumbs up, and I'll meet you in my next video guys. Bye.